In this video, we're going to learn how to enable two-factor authentication on our Discord account using a web browser. First of all, open Discord and log in to your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside Discord, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture with your username. Next to it, there will be a small gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open the user settings. Once you are in the user settings, make sure you are in the My Account section. Scroll down a little until you see the section called Two-Factor Authentication. You will see a button that says Enable Two-Factor Auth. Click on that button. Now, Discord will ask you to enter your account password. Type in your current password carefully. After typing your password, click on the button that says Continue. If you have entered the correct password, Discord will now show you a new screen. This screen will ask you to set up your two-factor authentication. To do this, you will need to use an authentication app. You can use Google Authenticator. If you do not have an authentication app installed yet, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and download one for free on your phone or tablet. Once you have installed the authentication app, open the app on your device. Now, come back to the Discord screen. You will see a QR code and a long code written under it. You have two options here. You can either scan the QR code using the authentication app, or you can manually enter the long code into the app. After scanning the QR code or entering the code manually, the authentication app will generate a 6-digit code for you. This code is temporary and it changes every 30 seconds. Now, take the current 6-digit code that you see in your authentication app. Go back to the Discord screen and type that code into the field provided. After entering the code, click on the Activate button. If you entered the correct code, your two-factor authentication will now be enabled successfully on your Discord account. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.